breaking update. We have now accessed the pictures of the NIA, which has busted the Al-Qaeda terror module of those arrested 9 terrorists. 6 of them who are said to be from West Bengal and 3 of them are from Kerala. This is a Pakistan-backed module that intended to carry out terror attacks in Delhi, NCR and other parts of the country that also included government installations and public places. Going across to Abhishek Kapoor for more updates on this. So this is a huge racket. 9 terrorists now, we are being told, Abhishek, where these arrests that have now been taken place, 6 of them from West Bengal and the other 3 from Kerala.
Yes, Amita, and all of them indoctrinated by Al-Qaeda operatives based out of Pakistan, possibly with the support of, the Pakistani deep state, as we call it, the ISI facilitating it. That would be a matter of investigation, but preliminary interjections and preliminary intercepts suggest that that is actually the case. So now these 9 men would be produced before respective courts in Bengal and Kerala of the NIA. It was an NIA operation carried out overnight, and some incriminating material has also been obtained from their possession, which includes making of IED material that would have gone into making of IEDs, one small arm, and in fact intercepts suggest that there was a plan to procure even a bigger weapon, and for which the 2 operatives from Kerala were intending to travel to Delhi. In fact, interesting bit is that the 3 who are arrested from Ernakulam in Kerala are actually originally from Bengal, but were living in Kerala for a while. And that really shows the kind of indoctrination and the kind of inroads Pakistan has been making in indoctrinating the youth of the country. All these 9 men who can be seen to be now associated with Al-Qaeda through social media, and all their contacts essentially originating in Pakistan, it speaks something about the manner in which this whole project of causing terror in the country is taking roots. This is big because not before I recall any time in recent history that these many number of Al-Qaeda indoctrinated boys or men have been nabbed by any of the agencies. NIA is working on it. These 9 would be produced before respective courts, and their custody taken in further interrogation and questioning would go on. But what is important is that the material that has been obtained clearly shows that there was an intent to carry out terror attacks, and intercepts suggest that even a bigger weapon was sought to be procured. The target was government installations and public places, and there was intention to cause maximum damage both of life and property. So, which means indoctrination had reached the level where they were actually contemplating terror attacks. So, it is hoped that interrogation leads to further leads. But what is important is that in an overnight operation, the NIA has caught these 9 Al-Qaeda operatives, and they are now going to be produced in courts in Kerala and Bengal. 6 have been arrested from Murshidabad district of Bengal, 3 from Ernakulam district of Kerala.
Abhishek, because important to note if this was a particular section of the Al-Qaeda module that has been busted, because there were simultaneous raids that were taking place in Murshidabad and also in Ernakulam, West Bengal and Kerala respectively. And do we know about how important these people or significant that they held as far as who were the handlers there and how many people were they working with simultaneously to carry out attacks in Delhi NCR?
Well, Amita, it's significant because these were actual, these are actual terror operatives in the sense that they were indoctrinated to a level where they were actually planning terror attacks. They were in the process of configuring an NID. We have obtained a picture of which, and on the face of it, it looks like a firecracker. But then the way IEDs are, made in the kind of setup that they were making, this is how it is done. So the wires, the timers, and the explosive that was being obtained from these firecrackers, the pictures clearly shows the intent of carrying out a terror attack. There was a small arm, and as I said, they were trying to, their Pakistani handlers perhaps were facilitating the possibility of a bigger firearm with them, for which two of the operatives were to travel to Delhi, before which intercepts led the agency to them, and they have been arrested. So in that sense, this is important. Also, the scale. Also, remember what we are being told by our sources is that the 6 arrested from Bengal and the 3 arrested from Kerala are of the same module. So it's not like 2 separate modules, which means the manner in which somebody in the Pakistani deep state or under the supervision of Pakistani deep state, the Al-Qaeda operatives in Pakistan who were coordinating with these men clearly shows
Yes.
the kind of inroads and the level of coordination that must have been going into it. But what is important is the possibility of a big terror attack has been averted, and the agency has succeeded in catching hold of them before they could carry out any of their nefarious designs. They will be produced in the court, and hopefully there will be more information available in some time.
All right, Abhishek Kapoor, thank you very much for getting us that information. So in all, 9 arrests that have been made of those terrorist pictures that Republic has accessed, and the simultaneous raids that were carried out by the NIA that happened in West Bengal and in Kerala. Now the arrested terrorists will now be produced in courts today.